How do books turn the creators into recognized authorities? This is a question that has just come in, something that people ask very often, especially when I talk about the booked and the concept of the booked, which is the name of this channel. The booked are those leaders, those experts, those heroes in their niche who have distilled their ideas, their frameworks, their stories into a book that has gone on to get them booked and busy, right? So we're talking about a book that powers their purpose. So when people say, well, how does that even work, right? How can you write a book that then leads to all these opportunities? Well, I want to give you 2 case studies today in this video. One is a coach that I had, Dr. Sonia Stribling, and the other is a beautiful friend and client, Layinka Sunny. I'd like to show you how the authority flywheel of the booked works. So Dr. Sonia Stribling is, if you can Google her, she is an amazing speaker who was in the military and then had a divorce and wrote a book about that divorce. That book about her divorce and what she learned from her divorce got her onto stages where she started sharing her story, and soon she started sharing how speaking on stages can build you as a coach, as a consultant, as a business. So the book itself led to being invited to speak on stages, on podcasts, etc. And then because she already understood how the book to operate, she knew that there was something bigger that she could do, something better that she could offer her audience than just hearing her story. And so what did she do? She packaged the knowledge that she had learned and that she experienced, that she had gained as a speaker, into a program so that others could learn how to leverage their stories and become the hero in their space, right? And be able to help other people no matter what background they're coming from, no matter what space they're in. You search Dr. Sonia Stribling now. I worked with her. I've done her program before. I've leveraged her program, alhamdulillah, and I've met her in person. She's a fantastic speaker. She has a multi-8-figure business now built from stage. But those stages came from this book, and she has another book out now which again has propelled her onto even more podcast platforms and more stages. So what basically happens when you have made the decision to stand up and be counted, to be seen, to be heard, people realize that they need to take you seriously. Okay? And when they take you seriously and you are put on stages where now you can speak to hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of people sometimes, in the case of podcasts, sometimes millions of listeners, you now have a basis, amazing foundation from which to promote your services, to launch your business, to put your brand out there, okay? That is how the booked operate. I'll give you another example. My dear friend Layinka Sunny, she has actually been coaching before she wrote the book. So she's been a coach and she's been in the spaces helping women to find their homecoming. When she eventually wrote the book, mashallah, beautiful book that it is. If you haven't got it, go and get it, okay? Since this book has launched, you will see that she is everywhere. She's on podcasts, she's been invited to speak from London to New York to wherever else in the world, and she has been recognized as a woman who is a change maker, a woman who can help others change their lives around, who helps women to achieve that homecoming, right? Not only has she been invited on stages to speak, she also has been working with brands and charities as an ambassador. She's my friend, but I also stalk her on Instagram, so I know the amazing things that she has been getting up to. And this is all because the book, guys, the book, it sets you apart from others. All right. When you have written the book on a topic, you become the authority in your niche. And so this is really how the book to operate. They know that there is a virtuous circle. Everything feeds into everything else as long as there is alignment. All right. There needs to be an alignment between who you are, what your book is about, and what you can offer. And if there is that alignment between who you are, what your book is about, and then how you help people and what you offer, then you start to see that each one feeds into the other. The book gets you onto a podcast, the podcast gets you onto a stage, the stage lets you sell more books, selling more books gets more people to hear about you, hearing more people get you into your programs send people to your book. So the whole thing starts to build this wonderful magnifying effect, and that is the booked effect. And so if you've ever wanted to know how books turn their creators into authorities, that is how it is done. And so if you want to see this gorgeous flywheel in action, just go to the link in the description. There's a little resource in there that will help you to figure out where you stand in this flywheel and how you can create a similar flywheel for your book. If not, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Please do like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.